Number 1. 1979 Ford F-150 Ranger Lariat, $7,500, Olympia, Washington. This 1979 Ford F-150 Ranger Lariat 4x4 long box stands as a fine example of Ford's durable late 70s pickups. Powered by a 351M V8 with under 5,000 miles on a professionally rebuilt engine, paired with an automatic transmission, it offers both strength and reliability. The truck features air conditioning, tilt steering, and manual hubs. Garaged for nearly 3 decades, the brown exterior and original Lariat trim suggest it has been well cared for. A solid classic ready for light restoration or daily driving. Number 2. 1983 Chevrolet C10 Diesel 6.2 Turbo, $5,000, Petaluma, California. A rare diesel variant of the Chevrolet C10, this 1983 model runs a 6.2-liter turbocharged diesel engine. It includes new tires, brakes, steering pump, and alternator. Although it needs rewiring and must be towed, it holds potential as a fuel-efficient, torque-rich classic truck. With its clean title and patina, this C10 is a promising restoration candidate for enthusiasts who appreciate early diesel pickups. Number 3. 1980 Dodge Custom 150, $6,000, Shelton, Washington. This 1980 Dodge Custom 150 is an original straight-body survivor powered by an inline-6 engine with an automatic transmission. The odometer shows 69,663 miles, likely rolled over. Equipped with dual fuel tanks and minimal rust, it runs and drives straight, though the carburetor could use a tune-up. Its simplicity and originality make it a strong base for restoration or a dependable work truck. Number 4. 1975 Ford Courier pickup, $6,500, North Portland, Oregon. The 1975 Ford Courier was Ford's answer to compact imports of the 70s, and this one is remarkably well preserved. Recently driven 250 miles without issue, it features numerous new parts: clutch, shocks, brakes, Weber carburetor, and more. With original blue paint, manual transmission, and a freshened interior, it's a dependable small pickup with great charm, ideal for vintage compact truck fans. Number 5. 1979 Chevrolet K10 4x4, $3,777 out of Southworth, Washington. This 1979 K10 4x4 comes from an estate sale and presents a solid foundation for restoration. The V8 starts but needs fuel system attention due to a leaking carburetor. With a clean title and solid frame, this project offers an affordable entry into Chevrolet's golden era of square-body trucks, beloved for their rugged design and off-road capability. Number 6. 1965 International RD200 dump truck, $8,600, Lakebay, Washington. A working-class icon, this 1965 International RD200 5-yard dump truck runs strong with a diesel engine and manual gearbox. It's farm-exempt, meaning it has served faithfully for property work. The truck's mechanical robustness and simple engineering make it appealing to collectors who admire mid-century industrial design. A practical vintage workhorse still capable of real tasks. Number 7. 1972 Chevrolet Custom 20, $7,500, Billings, Montana. This unmodified 1972 Chevrolet Custom 20 Camper Special retains its factory originality. The 400 cubic inch big block V8 with automatic transmission runs strong, complemented by air conditioning, power steering, and front disc brakes. With a clean title and 140,000 miles, it's an honest survivor. Ideal for restoration or enjoyment as a true 70s work truck.
Number 8. 1976 Datsun 620 pickup, $6,500, Salem, Oregon. An exceptionally clean 1976 Datsun 620 long bed, powered by the reliable L20B 4-cylinder and 4-speed manual transmission. Fully functional features, powder-coated details, and OEM replacement parts highlight the care given. With 123,439 miles and minimal corrosion, this truck captures the growing popularity of Japanese classics. Small, efficient, and built to last.
Number 9. 1972 GMC 5500 Flatbed Dually, $6,000, Englewood, Colorado. This 1972 GMC 5500 Flatbed Dually blends vintage style with updated muscle. A fuel-injected 454 cubic inch engine powers the manual transmission, delivering modern performance in a classic frame. With an aged yet sturdy wood bed and clean title, it's perfect for collectors seeking a functional vintage heavy-duty truck.
Number 10. 1955 Chevrolet 3100 First Series, $16,500, Tucson, Arizona. A stunning Arizona survivor, this 1955 Chevrolet 3100 First Series remains one of the most desirable mid-century pickups. Featuring its original 235 Thriftmaster inline-6 and 4-speed manual, it's been upgraded with modern electrical and cooling systems while maintaining authenticity. New interior, bedwood, and wiring make it a turnkey driver, ideal for collectors or resto mod enthusiasts seeking originality with reliability. Number 11. 1998 Ford F-150, Mechanic Special, $700, Seattle, Washington. Offered as a Mechanic Special, This 1998 Ford F-150 with a 4.6-liter Triton V8 has potential for a low-cost repair project or parts donor. It experiences shaking and spark plug oiling issues, but otherwise runs solidly with no major leaks. Priced affordably, it's suited for someone looking to tinker or use it as a utility truck. Number 12, 1985 Dodge D100, $6,500, Custer, Montana. This 1985 Dodge D100 4x4 stands out with its 225 slant-6 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and Canadian market kilometer odometer. Featuring Warren locking hubs, airbags with an onboard compressor, and no rust, it's both functional and collectible. A remarkably clean survivor from the final years of Dodge's classic truck styling era. Number 13, 1968 GMC 2500 Custom Long Bed, $11,900, Redlands, California. An outstandingly preserved 1968 GMC 2500 Custom, this long bed truck remains 100% original and rust-free with just 81,000 miles. Powered by a factory 396 big block V8 and automatic transmission, it's a one-owner California survivor with upgraded interior and air conditioning. Complete with extra parts, this truck exemplifies late 60s American craftsmanship and enduring design.